Hi, this is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Hyundai Kona, stock reference number 5828. This shape ran from 2017 to 10 to 2020. It has a G4NH 4-cylinder 2-litre petrol engine backed by an auto front-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our G4NH 4-cylinder 2-litre petrol engine. Left front wheel, factory alloy mag. 16-inch rim, good tyre. Left front guard, fold at the front. Left hand mirror. Left front door, fold at the front, good private. Left rear door, 1 dent. Left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand tail light. Tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, 2 dents. Right front door, 1 dent. Right hand mirror. Right front guard. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console, gear stick, heat AC controls, touchscreen display, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, right hand sun visor, tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with audio, cruise and phone buttons.